suspected Fulani herdsmen key pastor and his 2 sons in fresh attack after general election. Fulani herdsmen resume fresh attack after Shetima, who seems to be their leader, is elected as vice president of Nigeria. A pastor from the Church of Christ in the Nation revealed Musa and his 2 sons, Emmanuel Musa and Meg Musa, were key in a midnight attack in the Ganawiri town, Plateau State, by gunmen who were thought to be Fulani herdsmen. According to the source review, numbers around 20 men broke into the neighborhood at around 11 p.m. on Saturday and went on a rapid shooting before attacking the pastor's home. According to the source from the neighborhood, the shooters were carrying out a retaliation strike after 3 Fulani youths were killed in a nearby town a day before. The youth leader in the community said trouble started when some Fulani herdsmen kidnappers were arrested during the market day last week Wednesday, but later escaped into the hands of the Fulani vigilante who were to keep them before the arrival of the security operative. According to Mori, the situation generated into an argument and later escalated to crisis, leading to the death of 3 youths, despite several meetings and appeal for calm. The spokesperson of the police in the state, DSP Alfred, who confirmed the incident, said the commander is investigating the situation behind the attack. Meanwhile, security operatives have been drawn to the community to prevent a breakdown of law and order while the victims were buried on Sunday.
This is ODUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabukunmi Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.